To show Google Audio playback notification, even when Do Not Disturb is on in Samsung Galaxy S21, S21 Plus or S21 Ultra, open settings, swipe the notification panel, and then tap settings icon, scroll down settings screen, find Google, and then tap Google services, and then scroll down screen, tap settings for Google Apps, tap search assistant and voice, select notifications, and then tap notifications, and then you must turn on Google notification first. If Google notification is off, tap show notification switch until blue to turn on, and then scroll down the screen, find audio playback, tap audio playback, scroll down screen, and then to show Google Audio playback notification even when Do Not Disturb is on, tap ignore Do Not Disturb switch until blue, or to hide tap switch until black or until red. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.